In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Webflow for showcasing images or products effectively on your website. We'll go through each step together to ensure you have a sleek and functional slider at the end of this tutorial. Let's begin by opening Webflow. Once you're in Webflow, you'll notice on the left-hand side a panel labeled Add Elements. This is where you can find various elements necessary for building your website. Now, you might expect to find the Carousel option in the Elements list, but instead of searching for a carousel, you're going to want to type slider directly into the search bar. Once you locate the slider option, the next move is to decide where you'd like this slider to appear on your web page. If your goal is to have it within a specific section like a container, all you need to do is click and drag the slider element into the container area of your choice. This allows the slider to be neatly organized within the section, making it visually appealing and easy to manage. Now that you have your slider in place, it's time to add images. Whether you're displaying product images or visual content from your gallery, you can easily import these images into the slider. This is a great way to showcase various items or highlights in one compact space. Visitors to your website can interact with the slider by hovering over the images, and here's a useful feature. When they do this hovering action, you have the option to display additional information, such as product prices or additional product details. This feature can really enhance user engagement by making your sliders not just visually interesting, but also informative. At this stage, it's important to take a moment to preview your website and see how the slider looks and functions. Make sure the images appear clearly, the transitions are smooth, and any text overlaid or revealed is legible. You should feel free to make adjustments to the slide's order, timing, or even add custom animation if you'd like to enhance the user experience further. In conclusion, by following these steps, you've successfully integrated a slider into your Webflow site. It's an effective tool, significantly enhancing the functionality and visual appeal of your web page. Whether you're using it for artistic presentations or to provide a dynamic showcase of products, your slider will engage your audience and heighten their browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Webflow journey continues to be creative and successful. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.